Hi guys, another unboxing. Alright, let's open this. Ooh, what's this? Okay, let's open this. Alright. Okay, here we go. Oh, what's this? Alright, let's open this down. Okay, here it is. Oh, it's a beetle. Oh, beetle with a feet. Huh? Looks funny. Look. Oh my. It's a wind-up beetle, see? Oh, cool. Okay. Let's see here. Let's put him here. Okay, it walks. Okay. Oh, that's so cute. Alright. We have a little friend over here. Mr. Beetle. Alright friends, that's it. That's it for our unboxing today. Until next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.